Hi, I'm Karen McTavish, APQS instructor. There's several things that I love about APQS. First and foremost, the stitch quality is amazing. We have a small bobbin. We recommend a small L-size bobbin. So our stitch length or our stitch consistency or our stitch quality is perfect. So the back of the quilt, it's really important to have a beautiful stitch as well as the top. We have a really simple threading so it's very simple. Not a lot of bells and whistles to get to the needle, and that's part of why we have such a beautiful stitch. When I started working with APQS in 2001, I needed to feel like I can control the machine. I don't think this machine is this machine has so much control, it's fingertip. And I'm not kidding when I say that. There's just no wear and tear on your hands. So I'm going to be able to quilt for decades, not damaging my hands at all. The other thing that's really nice is I lean on my machine, and these Deluxe frames can hold my weight. And I'm almost leaning all on it just to keep my feet from hurting, because I'm quilting 15 hours a day, and so it's really nice to just be able to lean on my long arm. Another great thing about the APQS Millie is it's got thread breakage sensors, and anytime this little wheel stops moving, it's going to let me know I ran out of bobbin. I'm going to have a little alarm. The other great thing I love about APQS is the LED lights over my head. I've got all this quilting room. Now I use all this space to design my quilt because I'm doing custom quilting and I need a lot of space. So I think I have over 22 inches of actual quilting room. And again, just fingertip control is so nice, and I can easily, with the push of a button, switch from stitch regulated to non-stitch regulated. And of course the ergonomic handles. I cannot tell you how easy it is just to move a handle but still have our L shape. So we have this L shape so we know that we're not hurting our body in any way, because we're going to be quilting a while, just like the hand quilters. They took a while to quilt a quilt. Sometimes I work on a quilt for 2 weeks. So I want a really easy, painless way to use a long arm. So yeah, so those are some of the great things that I love about APQS.